iFLY field trip not only presents the math and science, but once they learn this physics, they go actually in the tunnel and they experience it. And I think that by doing it that way, they'll remember it forever. STEM is an acronym for science, technology, engineering, and math. It's trying to encourage kids to stay interested in math and science careers. Instead of just approaching them as separate subjects, it's approaching it as a group of information that can be used in the real world. We talk a lot about terminal velocity, the different factors that affect terminal velocity, the things that you can change to change your terminal velocity, the things that are standard for everyone. Then we talk about the different objects that we have, about how they're going to fly in the tunnel. We actually let them throw the balls into the tunnel, and they really love that. Terminal velocity is when the force of gravity is equal to the force of drag, but with the water there's also the force of surface tension. That's the size that has the strongest surface tension, and so the water wants to break up to that size and hold itself together. When we do the parachute activity, I usually make it a bit of a competition and hold 2 at a time and drop parachutes. Once they've done that, they move on to their flight class with the flight instructor, where they watch the safety video, they get suited up, and then they actually fly. They definitely enjoy the flying the most, but they love the ball demonstration. I think they enjoy learning about the engineering, how the wind tunnels develop through the years. One of the kids' favorite part is watching the teachers, or even better is watching a principal fly. The kids love that.
It was such an amazing environment. We used the stuff that we used in school. We learned about velocity, speed, force, acceleration.
That's what we try to do here, is show them how science and math is actually used in the real world. They get to experience the physics instead of just learn about it.